say they probably all wake up and go to sleep thinking of three basic things. That is going to be food safety, and number one, labor and water. Those seem to be the three topics that are really top of mind at this point. Yeah, well, everyone understands that we're getting ready to have rollout of FSMA, the Food Safety Modernization Act, which is going to be a big change. And I think probably the biggest challenge has been knowing what they don't know. And that's really all about how the regulation is going to come out and how it's going to be implemented. We try and make sure that they're educated in the fact that when it does come out, it is not going to be tomorrow you must change everything you do. And quite honestly, the fresh cut processors are always concerned about food safety, and they've done so much beforehand anyway, that it's more about probably the record keeping and documenting what they do. And I think probably the biggest challenge they have, and it gets into the labor situation, is that every day everyone must be thinking food safety, from the CEO down to those that are packing, they're cutting, they're loading trucks, wherever they are in that chain, that they're aware that they are part of the cog of food safety, and everyone is involved every single day. It's not just training and then go back to work, but understanding why food safety is so important in every facet of the industry. And we're going to talk a little bit about labor, because when you have turnover, that means you have to retrain your employees, and you really need to make sure that, again, that they understand the importance of food safety, even though they may not think that they're part of that scheme. They are. So at every step, it's getting employees, and really the retention of employees. And whether they leave for better jobs, better paying jobs, but wages are increasing, which is a challenge too, because that impacts the cost. So, and then we're going to get into the water issues, which have certainly been highlighted in California, but I believe that across the country, across the world, water is a precious commodity. It is, you can recycle water. There's always water coming out, but unfortunately agriculture gets kind of a black eye for using water, and they see that we use too much, but in reality we really don't, in the whole scheme of things. So it's really those three things: the food safety, it's water, and labor.